Guys, I'm super excited to be reviewing these Monitor 60 high-res audio headphones from OneOdio. Now, they claim that they are audiophile professional quality. Are they? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes guys, some wired headphones to review. Now, that's pretty exciting. Now, I've reviewed a lot of headphones, and I've also reviewed headphones from OneOdio before, and they've been good, and I will leave a card up here so that you can see some of those videos. Now, the fact that these are wired and are claimed to be audiophile quality has me very interested. Now guys, before we get started, I just want to say that these Monitor 60s by OneOdio were sent to me in exchange for my honest review, which you know, if you follow my channel, whether I buy something myself or whether I get sent it, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, let's get these unboxed and see what we have. First off, nice packaging. When you open the box, you have this nice cover, and opening that cover reveals the carry bag, a section with a bunch of different cables. I mean, you get a curly cord with a 3.5 to 6.35 or 1/4 inch if you're old school, gold-plated jack plugs to connect to either conventional amps, streamers, whatever. And you also get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, which is suitable for most portable players and smartphones and stuff like that. And you also get a 3.5 to 3.5mm cable with an inline mic and control button for phone calls. So pretty much all the bases covered. Good. Yes. So then we have some instructions, and in the carry bag, the main event, the Monitor 60s. Now the first thing I want to say is, boy, these are big. They're big. But you know what? They are very light. They're mainly plastic, and they've got this kind of protein leather or leatherette, I'm not sure, but they call it protein leather. It's very squishy, very soft, and very luxurious. I mean, this is thick. So yeah, pretty comfy. Now, these also swivel in pretty much every direction. You know, I mean, these are being pitched at audiophiles, professionals, studio use, you name it. These are being pitched at it. But you know what? I'm gonna say, if I was a DJ, yeah, I get it. You know, you want them to kind of swivel about. So yeah, pretty cool. Now, there are the usual R&L on the ear cups and some nice little R&L accents, which is pretty nice. The shiny silver and mesh looks super cool. So all in all, aesthetics and comfort, check. But as I said, these are being pitched at pro, audiophile, high-res, DJ, you know, a whole gamut there. And all of these types of uses are very different in terms of their requirements, both in sound delivery and in comfort. Now, for me, I'm kind of on the audiophile side, and that alone can also be very different amongst its audience. So let's listen to some sounds to see, or rather hear, how these sound. Are they as good as they sound as they are looking? Also, I thought I'd hook these up to my proper stereo, which in all cases, I always use speakers to listen to. Guys, I've got to say, wow, these are good. The 15mm drivers keep everything nicely balanced. Bass, treble and mids are very nice and even, which for me is my personal taste. I kind of got carried away and ended up listening to music for about 2 hours, and everything I listened to, I just wanted to keep listening to more. So, you know what? Yes, I'm a fan. These are also mega comfortable, and I have to say these will be staying next to my stereo. Now, for a closed back set of very good sounding headphones and at only £49.99, yes, £49.99 on Amazon, reduced from £99.99, I've got to tell you, value check. Now is the time to get them at that price if you want to get them. So guys, that is about it for this one. Truly impressed with these. I'll leave any links in the description. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section. And thanks to you guys for watching. Also, thanks to OneOdio for asking me to review these rather fabulous Monitor 60s. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.